I welcome you all to this lecture on file handling in Python. I am Vishnu Shakti, Assistant Professor at RMD Engineering College. Python is a widely used programming language and it has applications in all domains of software development, such as web applications, GUI applications, scientific and business applications. In the next slide, I'm going to discuss about the futures of Python. It is a programming language which is easy to learn and use. It is also an interpreted language which executes code one by one line at a time. It is a cross-platform language which runs on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. It is an object-oriented programming language which emphasizes on the concept of classes and object. It is a high-level programming language which is also free and open source. On to the introduction to file. A file is used to store data or information. It is an object on computer which stores data. The difference between each type of file depends on the type of data and the file extension. There are various types of files such as image file, audio file, video file, PowerPoint, or database. In file handling, we are going to discuss about text files and binary files. What is a text file? A text file stores data in the form of characters. It is a sequence of character which is stored on permanent medium like hard disk or flash memory or CD-ROM. It is in human readable form, whereas a binary file stores data in the form of binary. It is in computer readable form. A diff file or executable file or a Visio diagram can be a binary file. Attachments are stored in the form of binary file. For file handling, first step is to open the file and associate it with the file variable. And next, use methods to read the information to the file and finally close the file. These are the steps in file handling. Below is the syntax for open method, and the open method requires two arguments. One is a file name and the next one is a file mode. File mode is a character or alphabet which represents the type of operation that is done on the file, whether it is a read operation or write operation or append operation. Below are listed some of the file modes. R is the alphabet or character which represents reading only, and RB represents reading in binary format, and R plus represents both reading and writing. W represents opening a file for writing only, and WB is for writing in binary format. W plus represents for both reading and writing. And A is the alphabet which represents appending, and AB represents appending in binary format, and A plus represents appending and reading, and AB plus represents appending and reading format. These are the file methods that are used for file handling in Python. Open is used to open a file, either a text file or a binary file. Close is the method that is used to close an open file. And read is a method that is used to read characters, and here n characters can be referred, that is number of characters also can be referred, and read line is used to read one line from a file. Read line reads and returns all lines from the file. Seek is a method which is used to change the cursor position to the specified bytes. Tell returns the current file location, and write is used to write a string of data to a file. Writable is a method which returns true if the file is writable, that is, contents can be returned to the file. WriteLine writes a list of data to the file. These are the list of file methods and file modes that are available